http://www. Filing a personal injury claim. When a person suffered a personal injury and he wants to file a compensation claim for his injuries, he usually needs to prove that he, indeed, suffered from mental or physical injury due to another party's negligence. Otherwise, the case won't be pushed through and will just be trashed by the court as one lacking with substance or merit. This is particularly true in most of the states, and, for an inexperienced personal injury victim, it is vital that he seek the legal assistance of a lawyer specializing in personal injuries. Most people think that lawyers specializing in personal injuries are one and the same and hence can't be sought for an injury case regardless of what state the client is. What they don't know is that there are differences between personal injury lawyers from state to state, just as there are distinct injury laws governed in such states. One is then baffled as to which personal injury lawyer he will go to. For instance, an injury lawyer is distinctly different from other injury lawyers in other states. This is because there are a lot of specific laws that only apply to certain states and a law specific only to certain cities that make that injury lawyer dissimilar from others. While a lawyer should be well versed with the laws covering this kind of injuries in their own city, this does not mean that he need not be prepared with other laws of other states. It would be advantageous on his part if he reads on other state laws apart from the personal injury law of the city or state he is from. When we say personal injury lawyer, perhaps some already have a clear picture of the person in mind. Many would picture a dignified man reading through a lot of law journals in a solitary room, or perhaps a man in a courtroom with a booming voice while indignantly objecting the other party's assertions. This may very well be not far from the truth. Typically, a lawyer specializing in this kind of cases does not usually go out and actively pursue cases from injured victims. The most commonly used method is to admit victims of this kind of injuries through law offices. It could also be through word of mouth, especially if past clients are very satisfied with the result of their compensation claim as represented by the law firm. The World Wide Web has also seen a tremendous rise in assisting clients to look for the injury lawyer of their choice. http://www.accidentspersonalinjurylawfirms.com/ Francisco Rodriguez is the online marketing manager for personal injury solicitors to represent clients wanting to pursue a personal injury claim on a no-win, no-fee basis.